Hello and welcome to another video on SpaceInformer. Today we're gonna talk about the ISS, the International Space Station, which is a free tool you can use on SpaceInformer.com. There's a bunch of free tools at this website. In today's video we are gonna talk about the ISS Live Tracker, which means you can see the exact position of the ISS at this moment. Just a quick review over the website. Do have a lot of tools for you. Besides the ISS Live Tracker, you got the SpaceX Launch Tracker, Starlink Satellite Tracker. We got the James Webb Space Telescope Live Tracker. You got everything about the moon, the Artemis mission 2 and 3 when that's coming up, about the Starship and the moon phases. Of course, you got some news, some space news, what's going on with the Artemis mission and all the other missions that's been working on. You got the Northern Light, the Southern Light, not to forget. Basically what you can see in here is just the exact KP index at this moment, so you know if there's a Northern Light to catch or not. You can go to sky tonight. What can I see in the sky tonight? Meteor shower, and of course we got some space TV, which we are working on at this moment, trying to make videos, trying to get better at making videos for you guys. Everything space related you can find on space TV. And the fun section, the tools, there's a universe quiz, test yourself, see if you're any good, daily cosmic horoscope, and some fun ones like your weight on other planets. And of course we got the calendar for this year, where you can go in and check exactly what's going to happen during the year, and it's of course going to be updated whenever there's something new, something changes. You know how everything changes all the time, like the Artemis 2 mission just got postponed once again from March to April, at least for now. And feel free to register to our community, but for now let's go to trackers, ISS Live Tracker, and you got it right here. So what this is basically a live tracking map of the ISS, which means every 3 seconds the numbers update and the map updates. You can see the current latitude, the current longitude, and the velocity and altitude. So you got everything covered, everything covered. Of course it's official live data that's public, that we have gathered and turned into a user-friendly map for you guys, so it's easy to track the ISS and see exactly where it is. And of course, if you don't know that much about the ISS, you can always go down and you can read a lot about it, straight up what it is and why track it. Some frequently asked questions also. And yeah, at the bottom we have this menu with the sun tracker and moon phase. We got so many fun things, fun tools, fun trackers, everything you need to know about space. SpaceInformer.com, that's where you want to be. You can use so many hours on this website. And if you own your own website and you want to have this ISS Live Tracker on your own website, you can actually go to this little link that we made for webmasters. Get your own ISS tracker widget on your website. If you don't find this link, you can always scroll to the bottom and go to free space widgets. At this point we do have 3 available: the moon phase sticker, the launch countdown, SpaceX, and the ISS Live Tracker. And basically all you have to do is just click on the orange button, copy code, and then you just paste it into your own website and you will have a live tracker, ISS Live Tracker, straight on your website. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and of course there will be more videos in the upcoming days and weeks. We are always working on new videos, new projects, new tools. If you have any tool you feel is missing, feel free to contact us. Of course you can find our contact information down here. You can write straight to us, follow us on X, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That would be so much appreciated. Thank you. SpaceInformer.com. See you later.